In today's video, I'm going to teach you why you can't disable two-factor authentication on Robinhood and what you can change. If you came here looking for a way to turn off two-factor authentication, I want to be upfront right away, you can't. Robinhood requires two-factor authentication for every account, and there's no switch or setting to disable it. That's by design, and it's there to protect your money and personal information. So what does that mean in practical terms? Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds a second check, like a code sent to your phone or generated by an Authenticator app, whenever you sign in, make sensitive changes, or sometimes when you're using a new device. Because it's mandatory on Robinhood, your focus shouldn't be on removing it, but on making sure your verification methods are up to date and convenient for you. Here's what you can control. You can update the phone number associated with your account, change your email, and switch the device or app you use for verification. To do that, open the Robinhood app or website and head to your account settings. Look for security or login settings, then follow the prompts to update your phone number and email. You'll typically be asked to confirm changes through a code or a verification link, so make sure you have access to your current contact methods during the update. If you use an Authenticator app, you can set it up on a new device by scanning the new setup code that Robinhood provides within security settings. If you're switching phones, try to keep your old device accessible until you've fully added the new one. Move your Authenticator app to the new phone before you sign out of the old one. If you no longer have access to your old number or device, start the account recovery process from the login screen and follow the instructions carefully to re-establish secure access. A few tips to keep things smooth. Review your phone and email on file before traveling or getting a new device and update them ahead of time if needed. Avoid sharing one-time codes with anyone and only enter codes on the official app or website. If something feels off, pause and double-check the source of any message. To recap, there's no option to disable two-factor authentication on Robinhood. It's always on, and that's a good thing. What you can do is keep your contact details current and your verification device set up correctly so logging in stays secure and straightforward.